Okay, in this video we'll be looking at completing the square. Now if you have this question here, x squared plus 8x plus 3, they normally will ask you to put it in this format here, x plus a squared plus b. So what that means is that you're going to have to complete the square. Now the way we do this is that if we get this x down here, and then you divide this coefficient, this number here, by 2, so that would be 4. Square all of that, take away this number here squared, and add your 3. Now what you have to realize is that this is almost in the format that we need it, but we need a plus b here, and we don't need minus 16 plus 3. So you just solve this. You just simplify this number here, so you have x plus 4 minus 13. So now your value of a is 4 and your value of b is minus 13. Now a typical exam question may look something like this. So this is from a 2005 paper, C1. It's saying to you x squared minus 8x minus 29. You need to give it in this format here, x plus a squared plus b. So it's asking you for 3 marks, find the value of a and b. So it's important at the end of it you state what a and b is as well. So again, we just simplify, so you take the half of 8, put that squared, minus 16, and minus 29. That will leave you with x minus 4 squared minus 45. Again, that's essential you write down what a and b are. So therefore, a is equal to minus 4 and b is equal to minus 45. Now part B is asking you to work out the roots. So saying, hence I've showed that the roots of this equation here are c plus or minus d root 5. So in other words, you need to make this equation in this format here. Now it says hence or otherwise. So if you see that, obviously it's related to your part A. Now in part A we had this, x minus 4 squared minus 45. And remember that's equal to 0. So if we just rewrite that here, x minus 4 squared minus 45 equals 0. So you just take the 45 to the other side. Okay, and a way to get rid of a square, you square root plus or minus square root of 45. Now with surds, this will come under surds. We can simplify this root here. So if you have root 45, that can be written as 5 times 9. Root 9 is 3, so therefore we're going to have plus or minus 3 root 5. Okay, so remember this 45 here has to be simplified to 3 root 5. Now what you do, you take this minus 4 to the other side. So now you're going to have x equals 4 plus or minus 3 root 5. And just to check, they wanted that in this format, so your c will be 4 and then plus or minus 3 root 5, and 3 will be d and it'll be root 5 as required. Now if you're confused with simplifying this surds here, root 45, have a look at the surds video and that will get you going. Okay, thanks for watching.